John's travel agent again.
Do not raise your voice.
I'm not. This is my voice.
I said quiet! It is a double sin. Speaking without being addressed and not whispering when you speak.
Okay, fine. Just tell me what you want from us.
No! We only speak to men! Like him!
Oh, now I'm really scared.
Enough! Take them to the holding car! Everyone but her.
Oh, no!
Andy, not in front of the terrorists.
You touched one hair on their head.
Silence! Tie her up and gag her. Her mouth is a sin against nature.
Stay here! Try to escape and you'll be killed!
Okay, no escaping. Oh, no! Oh, woman! Forgot, no talking. Run! Run! Still talking!
You know, if he wasn't holding a machine gun and if there weren't a bunch of other terrorists around and if I wasn't sober, well, I'd kick his ass.
What? Nothing! That's
This is horrible. What if they keep us in here for months and we have to eat each other like those poor boys on that soccer team?
We don't even know why they're doing this. What is it that they want?
They want me.
Hey! 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 We gotta be here! We gotta be here!
They know he's in here. What is going on, Dr. Bakshi?
Those men are terrorists from the country of Monistan. I was going to give a speech at the UN denouncing their country for their horrible record on human rights. This is their attempt to silence me.
Okay, there's just one thing I don't understand here, okay? What's the UN? You talk, mister!
The UN is the United Nations. I was going to speak before the General Assembly, and the speech would have been on every television in every home throughout the world.
You mean like Baywatch?
Thank you. Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Well, you're in America now. Nobody can shut you up. And you don't have to wear a ball in your mouth unless you get off on it. Now tell me where my family is. Thank you.
Sabi, meaning soba. I should have fakshita ba fakshita. I should have fakshita ba. Oh, sama fakshita ba. We should have fakshita. And you know it, right?
Take a breath, Sober. You're gonna pull something.
Our plan is working perfectly.
Only ourselves and the boxing party remain on the train.
Soon someone should bring them some food and drink. Sort of a last meal, huh? Soba! Do it! Is something wrong, Soba? Did you cut your hair?
I say we kill that infantile Bashi right now!
Silence! We must not deviate from the plan. Bashki and his degenerate friends will all perish in 2 hours. When the train is derailed and plunges off the cliff. And then the whole world will know our power. The power of the Mondostan Savage!